This is Nyeri Nanyuki highway, and I had to make a stop here because this is so beautiful. This point is so beautiful, and I believe this is where the high-lying plateau starts. You know, this plateau from here all the way to Nanyuki heading to Timao, it's a high-lying plateau that is very high even than the central highlands. So from this point on, you can see almost the entire of Nyeri County from this point on. So this is a very beautiful. So this is a Nyeri Nanyuki highway. As you can see, it's a busy highway, and I just had to make a stop. There's no way I would have ignored this beauty. The only downside to this point is that I am using a GoPro to film this video. So you can see as far as Odaya from this point. Just imagine. You can see as far as Nyeri town from this point. You can see as far as Daragwa. So let me climb on this mole hill here, just next to this internet post. I show you what you're seeing, because this is so beautiful. Wow, look at that. So you see down there, that is actually Chaka Town. This point is not very far from Chaka Town. So on this other end, you can see a hill over there. That is actually Tomotomo Hill. The other hill is Odaya Hill. Just imagine. And this hill here, this is Nyeri Hill. So, and you know, below that hill, that's where Nyeri Town is. So especially when you're driving at night on this point, it's super beautiful. Yeah, and that's it. For those of you who've been asking me about land from this area, I did a video about Chaka where I talked about Chaka lies in a highly fertile agricultural area. Some people asked him about what is the price of land here. I have land that is being sold just next to where my property is, and it's going for 2 million, just 1 acre. And do you know the reason why? Because there is a water reservoir at the foot of that 1 acre. And also, it's a land that has been used for agriculture in the past, so it's fertile. So if you want or interested in that piece of land, write a comment below. The land on this area is super fertile. Thank you.